of hot flowers. And the flow coming from Barangay Apio! Fresh na fresh. Kala nga naman. Roots while rising aromatics by Ramal's float. And we also have our Mr. And we also have Barangay Guitar. Hey! Recycled materials.
Marami-rami na silang partner.
Kaway-kaway naman!
Abundance of strawberries and you.
Ayan na nga, nakawala na sa ating harapan. Ngayon namin kayo tatanungin.
We also have Councilor Tyrone Diaz. Kaway-kaway naman, Councilor Belmer Ellis. Ayan naman po, at of course, kasama natin ang... Nakikita mo kita, sir. Huwag ka mag-alala. Okay. And we also have our Mr. International with us. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, from Torrance Cultural Performing Arts Ensemble. Palapakalaman po natin sila, apakagaling.
Napipitas.
Yoy! Asa ang mga napipitas galing lumas? Mag-ingay! Di kurang ka. Okay. Asa ang mga katipunan ng mga napipitas sa Tagalumas? From recycled materials. Ayan po. Our belongings. Okay. Nakita pa rin. Oops, oops! May mga nasa gilid.
Pinakamada po ng ating driver, kaya po please, pakitignan na lang po ang ating mga pwesto para hindi natin masabi.
And we also have, ayan, nandun sa likod pala. Sorry po, hindi po namin kayo nakita. May mga hawak na mga baskets. Ayan, ang ating
Ang barangay Jitar.
Hey, napakaganda ng choreography ng kanilang flow. Meron tayong butterfly. At syempre, pinamumulaan ng kabayan. Okay, alam mo na, salita. Okay. magical naman yun. Again or more of the materials they used in their float, ayan po, ay coming from recycled materials. So as you can see, ayan po ang mga sako galing sa mga abuno. Ayan, mga sako-sakong abuno ng mga farmers coming from Alabang. Ano to? Marami pa akong nakikita dito. Mga flowers. At ano to? Falls. Uy, hello po sa inyong lahat.
And I think may compare naman natin ang Alabang sa sinabi ng ating Miss Universe viewers na beautiful with a heart.
Yan naman.
Congratulations! Marinig naman ako ng masigabong palakpakan na siyawan!
Ayan, isang araw, nagmamaneho sa Trinidad. Diba ano? Ako'y nakakita, float na ubot lang. Ganda! Mario, na nakikita ngayon, which they formed into mga flowers. Office of La Trinidad, Mayor's Office of La Trinidad and Public Information Office of La Trinidad, may propose po dyan lahat ng mga mananalo. Attached to a carabao walking in circles, although modern machinery has replaced this technique,
Thank you! Sabi nga nung tinay nilang edition, buksan mo, papasukin sila.
Drum and Live presentations and also our presentations from the cultural ensemble.
Marami-rami na silang partner.
Kaway-kaway naman para makuha kayo sa Zoom. Sa drone camera natin, asan yun? Asan na yun? So ng mic para marinig po ninyo ang live na sound ng ating mga participants. Huwag po kami kalala, marami po po tayong matutuwa yung mga presentations coming from the different participants of Drum and Lyre competition and cultural Lamo parties. I see the moon.
Where's the moon?
Oo, isi the moon. Kani joke lang. Okay, we have here, may pamoon ang barangay Tawang.
May Bollywood din at Mount Kalumwang.
Alright, ito na ang Mount Kalugong and Bollywood. Thank you so much. We are, the float is accompanied by the barangay officials of Barangay Tawang and other representatives. Palapakan naman po natin ulit, Barangay Tawang! Ayan, meron pa sila mga papaso ng milk tea doon sa baba.
And I hope our visitors from Guam are enjoying this float parade of strawberry festivals. Are you okay up there?
The country's capital and major source of cut flowers and ornamental flower plants. The float shall utilize at least 75% of fresh flowers, plants, vegetations, and other indigenous materials. Kaya lahat po na nakikita ninyo sa float ng barangay ang biyong fresh na fresh po ang mga yan. Palapakan po natin, float coming from barangay ang biyong!
Yung flowers nila kasi fresh ng kanilang municipal, ng kanilang barangay officials accompanying their float.
Ayan naman, palapakan din natin ang ating mga barangay officials na nandyan sa likod. Carrying also the theme, Limitless na Trinidad. Naku, napakagaling talaga. Lumilipad ang kanilang float. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Fresh na fresh ang mga bulaklak.
Partner, pwede na din pang chapsulo.
Thank you very much once again, the Ambion Cultural Group. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Performance that highlights the cultural richness of the people of La Trinidad. Through fluid, rhythmic, and expressive movements, it brings life to vibrant traditions and proud heritage of the municipality in a lively, enchanting, and memorable performance. Once again, La Trinidad Central School.
ating mga conductors. Maraming salamat sa mga choreographers. Maraming salamat po.
Farmers, local farmers, and their rich agricultural bounty. It's a vibrant celebration of community soul and dedication, capturing the festival's heart in every breathtaking, succulent details. Once again, everyone,
The float shall utilize at least 75% of flowers, plants, vegetations, and other indigenous materials. Ang daming mga fresh na mga ingredients ba? Ayan, mga materials na ginamit nila para sa kanilang float. Grabe ang choreography, may pang left and right.
ang ganda din ng na-center nilang choreography according to Limitless Dot Trinidad, which is the symbol infinity.
Oo, may pa-infinity sila dito, oh. Infinity with a heart.
Ay!
Oo, ibig sabihin yan. Oo, infinity na may heart dito sa Trinidad. Talaga naman. Maraming salamat po sa mga barangay. Pakagaling. Ayun, uy! May basket, may lamang sayote. May lettuce. Ano yun? Parsley. Oo, tsaka parsley. Strawberries. We have flowers as well. Wow. Thank you so much, Barangay Pico. Palapakan naman natin. Aren't you proud?
Atin Mangal! Saan kayo?
Kaway naman dyan. Galing sa Wangal. Okay. Etong float ng Barangay Wangal exudes harvest, heart, and harmony. Here, coffee pours generously. The float embodies warmth and dedication and the unity of Wangal's community, echoing the Strawberry Festival spirit of shared harvest and joy. A meticulously arranged coffee plate mirrors the community's firm roots, while rising aromatic steam captures the unwavering passion, unity, and camaraderie, showcasing Wangal's vibrant spirit, agricultural pride, and relentless pursuit of limitless communal prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, ang teacup, ay hindi, ang coffee cup ng Barangay Wangal! Again, they are competing. White flower ang ating dominant color for Barangay Wangal's float.
Pero partner, nakaka-intriga din yung ginawa nilang sign or parang symbolize ng limitless. Talagang kape.
We welcome Buyagat Elementary School!
Ang lakas ng kanilang partner. Their performance starts, let me read their description. The performance portrays the rich culture and unity of the Cordilleran people. Through dances symbolizing strawberry farming, it highlights the farmers' hard work, struggles, and resilience.
Happy Strawberry Festival! Coming from Buyagan Elementary School! Palapakan naman natin sila! Wow, napakakulay na...
Ayan, talaga magtiman na naragsak.
Inspiring the next generation to value harmony as the foundation of a peaceful place. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Tawang Cultural Group. Ito na ang float coming from
MJ Kakad, Suleng Group.
Palakpakan naman natin ang Sulaine. Ayan, habang hoping ay hindi rin na price hike ang Sulaine. Okay, naalala ko tuloy yung boss. Okay, eto na tayo. Maraming salamat po sa pakikisa. Sulaine, MJ Kakad, Sulaine.
Wow! Ayan!
Okay.
Abundance of candies din pala ito. Hindi lang siya abundance of strawberries and unity.
Ayan, sumasayaw. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. Huwag mo itong bibitawan. Oy, talaga. Ang galing ni Sulaine sumayaw. Okay. Talaga naman ang ating mga Team Eagles.
Soar High Eagle Fraternity. Mabuhay daw ang Agila! Mabuhay!
Ayan, mabuhay ang Agila dito sa La Trinidad. Mabuhay daw ang mga gwapo. Mabuhay ang mga magaganda. Mabuhay ang tayong lahat. Our street dancing or cultural dancing and the community float parade.
We would like to thank each and everyone for your unending support whenever we celebrate this Strawberry Festival.
And huwag po muna kayong aalis dahil meron pa po tayong mensahe coming from the Vice Mayor, Gilier Galwan.
Organizing committee, sa pasalamatan natin sila to each and everyone. Salamat po sa pagsuporta ng ating Strawberry Festival. May we continue the spirit that we had today in our homes. And we see you again next year. Thank you very much and God bless everyone.
Maraming salamat po, our dear Vice Mayor Guillermo Galwan, and happy Strawberry Festival, everyone! This has been your Pars Pandal Pagoy-ano, and
Audrey Jimenez.
sa ngalan din ng aming mga parts na nasa Jollibee kanina, Doc Alvin T. Morales, and
Jenna Valorio.